I'm going to talk to you quickly about smart objects. So if you've dragged an image from the internet into Photoshop and for some reason there's a little icon in that layer like this, that means that you have created a smart object without meaning to. And smart objects are great, but they're not good for first-time users because they are not directly editable. So what you're going to want to do, and I'm going to zoom in here by hitting Option Command equals, just to show you that. See how there's this little icon in there? That means it's a smart object, and this layer is going to be very hard to edit. It's going to be confusing. So what you can do is you can do what's called rasterizing that smart object. So I'm going to go ahead and make this smaller again, Option Command minus, and you can see what I'm hitting here on the lower left. I have a nice little pointer that shows you everything that I'm doing now. What you're going to do to get rid of that little icon and rasterize the smart object is you're going to go here into Photoshop and you're going to make sure that you go to, let's see, Layer and Smart Objects and Rasterize. Once you do that, the smart object will now be an editable layer. Okay, so just to recap, if you've dragged layers, images in from Google and they have that little icon in them, you're going to want to rasterize those images in order to edit them. And you go to Layer, Smart Objects, Rasterize. That's grayed out now because I've already rasterized it. Now, if you don't want to have to deal with smart objects at all, and dragging creates them for you because you're using older versions of Photoshop or the internet, or maybe your iOS is older, then just do the copy paste method that I showed you in the last video, where you right click on an image in the internet, on the internet, and then you copy. Then you go into Photoshop and you Command V or edit paste. Okay, and on a PC that would be Control V. On a Mac that's Command V. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this very short tutorial. Thanks.